What's going on, guys? Let's talk a little BTC and the markets. What is going on, guys? So down or up 1.1%, $1.25 trillion market cap. Right now we're sitting at 63,574. Market looks kind of juicy today, guys. Looks kind of juicy. Across the board, we're seeing recovery. Helium Mobile's been pumping for like 4 days now, so you love to see that. So yeah, I mean the market looks good for a Sunday. We'll see what happens to start the week next week. Hopefully we have a good weekly close tonight, and we'll kind of go from there, right? So Bitcoin, a ray of hope for Japan amid yen's historic collapse. As the Japanese yen continues to plummet, reaching a 34-year low against the US dollar, concerns over the country's economic stability are mounting. Amid this currency crisis, Bitcoin proponent and MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor has weighed in, suggesting that the world's largest cryptocurrency could serve as a beacon of hope for Japan. And in my opinion, Japan could serve as a beacon of hope for Bitcoin, and I will tell you why. Saylor's comments come as the global macroeconomic landscape remains turbulent. Stubbornly high U.S. inflation is forcing the Federal Reserve to maintain higher interest rates for an extended period. Saylor's basis his support of Bitcoin and its intrinsic qualities as a possible remedy for Japan's monetary problems. Bitcoin's value has surged against the Japanese yen as its value falls. Social media conversations regarding Bitcoin's superiority over fiat currencies as sound money has been triggered by this. Saylor lauded Bitcoin's superior design, emphasizing the immutable cap of 21 million BTC, which is required under Satoshi Nakamoto's framework, in line with the opinion of Bitcoin maximalists. This hard cap places Bitcoin in a deflationary asset class, while having occurrences that reduce inflation by reducing the amount of new tokens issued. This stands in sharp contrast to fiat currency's tendency towards inflation. While the Japanese government grapples with the yen's devaluation, private players in Japan have already begun embracing Bitcoin. Last week, Japanese public firm Multiplanet made headlines by purchasing $6.25 million worth of cryptocurrency, signaling a growing interest in digital assets as a potential hedge against currency volatility. Beyond Bitcoin, Japanese banks are also seeking exposure to deposit-backed stablecoins, cryptocurrencies pegged to the fiat currency like the US dollar. This move could provide a more stable alternative to the yen, as stablecoins are designed to maintain a consistent value against their underlying asset. Although the yen's volatility hasn't directly affected the cryptocurrency markets, experts predict that could change if the Bank of Japan supports the yen. The Bank of Japan may sell, now listen up, the Bank of Japan may sell US dollar assets to buy yen, especially US treasuries. This would weaken the US dollar, which could boost cryptocurrency prices, right? Now, if they go ahead and they start doing that and dumping on the US dollar, well, what do you think happens to risk on assets? I will show you in a few moments. The scope of any potential influence is still unknown, though, as various factors other than change in exchange rates influence the cryptocurrency market. As an alternative, the U.S. policymakers may intervene by bringing liquidity to the markets, encouraging riskier assets like cryptocurrency. Two bullish things. U.S. might start printing money again. The Japanese might start selling U.S. Treasury bonds, and that will affect the dollar in a negative way. Michael Saylor's support of Bitcoin as a viable remedy has sparked a new round of discussion as Japan struggles with the yen's extraordinary drop. The topic of discussion here is cryptocurrency's place in the fiat world. The full effect of the yen's devaluation on cryptocurrency markets are unknown, despite the fact that Japanese businesses' adoption of stablecoins and digital assets indicates a growing interest in these spaces. So, if we go over here, here is the US dollar, the Dixie, right? Right now it's in a very, very bullish, unfortunately bullish pattern that I am seeing, right? Now, if we break out of this, it's going to break to the upside, most likely. The odds are good it's going to break to the upside, which is terrible for crypto, which leads into my short-term analysis that we are going to see a 59K Bitcoin very, very soon, right? If the Dixie breaks out, it will lead to further downside on risk on assets. Now, a good way to reverse this would be, like we saw over here, we saw if Japan starts selling off U.S. Treasury bonds, affecting the U.S. dollar in a negative way, well, we're going to see this dump to the downside, right? So that's kind of what we're waiting for, guys. I've been calling for a shakeout, one last shakeout, a few weeks after the halving, as per 2017, and then we saw a V-shaped recovery out of that, and then it was nothing but up for the rest of the bull run from there. That is what I kind of see coming, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Hit the like button, guys. Hit the join button to become a member of the channel. Smash the subscribe button, guys, to become a subscriber. Help us out. Join the family. It'd be fantastic to have you. Join the Patreon if you want. Just so you know, we got a members-only live stream going on today you don't want to miss. Every Sunday we do them. We look at microcap gems. We help with portfolios. We help with exit strategies, profit taking, all that fun stuff, guys. So if you want to partake in that, click the join button. Follow me over on X. And again, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.